Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you a coffee drinker or are you a tea drinker? Maybe you're both. I am definitely on team tea, and one of the ones that I really have been enjoying is this Rooibos tea from Numi. I generally start my day with a caffeinated tea, but by noon, I definitely want to switch over to something that's non-caffeinated, and this Rooibos tea is just perfect for that. It has a really hearty flavor to it. It's earthy and natural, but it tastes so good, so warm and comforting on an evening to just sit there on the couch and sip the tea. I really appreciate that these tea bags are made with plant-based tea wrappers, which means I can put them directly into my compost when I'm done brewing. That makes me so happy because then I know that I'm not contributing to a garbage dump and I'm not putting chemicals into my compost for when I grow my vegetables in the summer. Even though this tea is mellow, it does have depths of flavor. So it doesn't taste like you're just drinking slightly flavored hot water. It really has a rich depth to it. I really enjoy drinking this tea, and that's my point of view.